The P1800 was pitched by Volvo. It was marketed by Volvo as a car that was as exotic or as avant-garde as cars that cost 2 and 3 times what it cost in the period.
Martin.
It was compared directly
Jaguar.
with a DB6 and a Jag and possibly even a 12-cylinder Ferrari, a Ferrari 250 or something of the ilk. So the perception was that it was, you could turn up in a P1800S and be regarded as avant-garde as somebody who also showed up in an Aston. Yeah. And if you looked at the merit of the styling alone, that wasn't the most preposterous thing in the world, albeit under the skin, the Volvo was far, far more humble than any of the expensive stuff.
The advertising was, you can get a $10,000 car for $3,995. That was the advertising in the period, and and you could tell. I mean, the quality of the interior, the design. Sure, it didn't have a V12 Ferrari engine, but you know, you could get that car. You could get that experience of driving a car like that without paying the $10,000 of a big sports car.